Assalamualaikum beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a trendy makeup tutorial which is following makeup tutorial. So I have decided to do a JeffreeStar following makeup, which is a review video of JeffreeStar on Kylie Cosmetics Burgundy palette. In this case, this one is affordable for me. That's why I have chosen this tutorial of JeffreeStar. So ignore all the mistakes, and so let's get started. Now I'm searching his video. Here is the tutorial.
What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Now today I'm going to be diving in and doing a first impressions on the new Kylie Cosmetics The Burgundy palette.
In this video he is talking about the palette and swatching the palette's color. So I'm skipping it. After 3 minutes he is starting the tutorial. So I'm moving to the makeup tutorial.
Now we're gonna be priming the eyes with the MAC Painterly Paint Pot. Of course, if you
can see he's already done his base makeup on off camera. That's why I'm also done it. Now he's priming his eye.
Have a favorite primer that you love, now is the time to apply. So when I do these primers, I like to take it from my lid all the way.
Now I'm using Mua palette. This shade.
I'm going to pop a little transition color into my crease with this little Bobbi Brown blending brush, and I'm going to be using shade Beach, which is the top middle shade. So I'm just going to pop this guy right in here.
Okay, now he's using this color right here for his crease, so let's do it.
Tell me now.
And I'm just gonna take this and kind of go like this and kind of stop it here. So normally y'all are used to me going all the way down. I'm just gonna keep this right here today and leave some room.
He's just blending it here to the brow bone. Let's move on to the next step.
Now I'm going to be using shade Penny, which is the top right one, and it is a warm orangey color, which I love a good little orange transition. And I'm just going in with a little MAC 221 brush, and we are just going to pop this into the crease and start adding some dimension and definition. Come on now. Now see how I'm just going to take this and stop it here again, and we're just going to go slightly down now.
Now he's playing with this color. He's using this color here to here.
Now see how I'm just going to take this and stop it here again, and we're just going to go slightly down now. This is just to add a little more warmth to the lid and the crease.
He's also using this color a little bit on the eyelid.
I'm going to be going in with a little Sigma E57 brush. So I'm just going to go in here a few times. Oh, okay.
Let's do the same. I'm taking this color.
Packing motions and go on my lash line. Ooh. All right, now I'm gonna merge Dubai with the other colors and we're just gonna pack this in, and of course we're gonna blend it out better later. Now I'm going to be going in with this deep topaz bronze color. It's called LA. Yes! So I'm going to be taking this guy and taking it all the way down to here and just kind of giving it a little moment to just, you know, blind. So I'm going to be using this little shader brush. Let's see what happens with this guy.
Let's do the same with this color.
Alright, now we're going to go in with the bottom right shade. This one is called Almond. It is a dark chocolate brown with a warm undertone, and I'm going to be going in with that same MAC 221 brush.
Let's do it with this color.
I'm going to take that shade Almond and we're just going to lightly place it in the outer crease area just to darken my eye sockets and give it some fall drama. Now I'm going to be taking that same Bobbi Brown blending brush and we're going to go back into Beach just ever so slightly. And now we're just going to go over what we did earlier and just kind of drag it and blend it out just so it's a little more soft and dramatic.
Now he is using this color again.
Alright, now I think I want to smoke out my entire bottom lashes with the middle shade Burgundy. I think this is the star of the palette, if you will. I'm just going to be going in with the Tom Ford little pencil brush. And I am going to do liner in a second, but I just kind of want to smoke this out and see how it looks. I'm just going to really gently drag it across my whole entire under eye and just try to smoke this bitch out. Oh wow.
Let's play with this color.
We're gonna go back in with this guy and dip into that almond shade, and I'm just gonna kind of blend them together and let them merge. They are now having a baby, or they're dating.
Let's blend with this.
Alright, now for the last time, we're going to be dipping into shade Beach again, and I'm just going to be dragging out this. Now, I love to drag my eyeshadows out. I love a dramatic eye. I know a lot of people are like,
tone it down.
So I'm just going to drag out the colors and bam!
Let's take this color again.
Alright, now for the waterline, I'm going to be using this little Smith 202 brush. And I'm going to be using the Tarte Black Clay Pot Liner. So we're just going to be dipping into this ever so slightly. It is really creamy and really pigmented. Just how I like it. And I'm going to be taking a little beauty blender to pull down to my eye. And we're just going to tuck this in our waterline.
For my lower lash line, I'm using this product.
Now, I definitely think there needs to be some shimmer or something else below the brow. So I'm gonna be trying this top shade. It's called Naked. It is a shimmery, it looks almost like a beige type of color. So hopefully it's not too dark for my skin tone, but I just kind of wanted to add a little bit below the brow.
Now I'm taking this color.
Alright, I think the only thing missing is, of course, some lashes. So I'm gonna start out by applying my Benefit Roller Mascara.
For my eyelash, I am using this mascara.
Let's get to it! I think I'm gonna go in with the velour lashes. This is the new style, and I'm the dumb bitch that, of course, forgot the name of it. So I know these just launched, and I've been obsessed with them for a minute, so I'm just gonna pop these on, and I'll be right back.
I'm using fake lashes from Huda Beauty.
Alright, lashes are on. I'm loving it. Now I think the only thing I need to complete this look, so I'm going to be going in with the Blush Nude from Tom Ford, one of my ultimate favorites. Bam. Oof, she's worn down, girl. And let's just finish this look.
Okay, I don't have this lipstick. That's why I'm using this color.
The last final step is I have this new refreshing makeup fix makeup spray from Armani. I got it today and I'm like, you know what? We have to try this right now. This is the Armani Prima. Okay, girl. Now, allegedly, this is supposed to set your face to filth and hopefully your makeup doesn't come off. So let's give it a whirl.
For fixing my makeup, I'm gonna be using this makeup spray, which is last step for this look. The look is complete. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope Jeffree will watch my tutorial. I really hope that. I hope he will also like this tutorial. I am very big fan of him from my childhood. Honestly, I love you, Jeffree. So viewers, that's enough for today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, then give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Share this tutorial as much as you can. As a result, you can also watch my this tutorial. I'll see you in my next one, inshallah. Be happy, be confident. Allah Hafiz.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Kylie Cosmetics The Burgundy.